so we finished off dynoing the Golf R after installing the APR Stage 1 high torque ECU software and then the DSG software to suit. We also did a DSG service on this car as well at the same time. You can see the figures behind us. So in the dotted lines, you've got the standard power and torque as the car came in, blue being the torque, red being the horsepower, and then the solid lines is the tuned power now, so as the car's leaving us. So standard, this car made around 309 horsepower and about 290 foot-pounds of torque, and is now leaving us with just over 370 horsepower and 390 foot-pounds of torque. Obviously you can see massive gains all across the rev range on this particular car. Actually the maximum gains within the rev range are almost 90 horsepower and over 100 foot-pounds of torque. So this car is going to be absolutely incredible to drive this afternoon versus where it was this morning. Yeah, so we're going to hand it over to the customer and see what he thinks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.